Hi, lovely people. How are you? I am doing fabulous today. Do you know why? I got my Boxycharm today. I was so excited. I went to my mom's house and I get everything delivered to my mom's house. That way it gives me an excuse to go over there as well. And when I seen this, I was excited because if you remember, if you've been watching me, all my boxes last month came extremely late. Like I think this came like towards the last week of the month last month. So I am excited. So if you like these type of videos, if you like Boxycharm or unboxings, please give this a like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I do have a giveaway going on until the end of this month. I will leave it in the cards above and also down below per usual. But enough of my babbling because I am so excited. I am so excited because I do know one of the spoilers is going to be a ColourPop palette, and I hope I brought all my ColourPop palettes out here just to make sure I don't have one, and I hope this is one that I don't have. So without further ado, let's just get started. Let me just cut the tape. I literally just walked in the door, so it is very humid out and my hair is starting to curl up. I do have curly hair, so I see something. Oh no. Okay, so it comes like this. And then, oh, this is different. Comes out like this. Okay, so I don't want to look at it yet. Let me just show you the first thing that I see. This is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner. So this is a pore purifying mask, which is great because we have gotten a lot of things from Dr. Brandt and these are expensive. So let me just take a gander. The theme for this month is eye candy. So let me just see how much it is. Does it say? This would be $47. So that is exciting. The next thing we got is from Adis. What is this? This is a high definition liquid lipstick. Okay, and well, let me just open her up. I don't remember this. Like I said, I don't know all of the spoilers. So, come on. Let's just, oh God, sorry about that. I always slam that down. All right, so this is what she looks like. What color is this in? Does it even have a shade? I don't even see a shade name. Not even on the bottom. There's no shade name. But this is what it looks like, and I will swatch it for you. Looks like a pretty nude. And oh, it's like a lip gloss. No, I don't think it's a lip gloss. This is a really beautiful, really pretty color, and this is my favorite kind of applicator. So that's nice. I haven't tried any lipsticks from this brand. Let's see what she says. So this would be $24. Wow. This is a creamy long wearing liquid lipstick. Okay, so it's a creamy, which if you see, I'm not into matte lipsticks anymore. So I'm happy about that. The next thing is from Tarte is the Tarteist Pro Glow. So this is a liquid highlighter in the shade Sparkler. Okay, and how much does this say? This is $29. And that's what it looks like. And let's see. No safety seal. Okay. Just put a little dab on. Well, that's actually really pretty. It's a little dark for my skin tone, but I can make it work. It's like a golden color, like a dark bronzy golden color. You guys can see. But it is pretty. It's not boom in your face. It's very subtle, but that's nice. Okay. The next thing we got is from the Brow Gal. This is, what is this? Brow Hair number 2. Tinted brow gel with micro fibers, which I do really enjoy microfibers. And this would be $22. Sorry if you hear my cat crying. My daughter has her door shut, and that's what he does. When he doesn't get his way, he'll cry for hours. Okay, so this is in a shade number 2. So I'm not sure what shade that would be. So I'm not going to open this yet because if it's not my shade, I'll put it in a giveaway. And I am so bummed about this palette. I got the Golden State of Mind palette. And I'm not going to open this. If you have been on my channel for a while, I actually gave this away in a giveaway. because I do not like this palette. This is the I Love ColourPop eyeshadows. I think they have the best drugstore eyeshadows, even better than some higher ends. And this is the only palette that I did not like. And I can't believe I got it. Oh my goodness. But I will put it in another giveaway. So I'm really bummed about that. And this is $26. And if you're wondering, I got the variation in the number 2. I know a lot of people ask for that. And I believe the weight was 8 pounds, like 0.36 kilometers or something, whatever that is. So I'm really bummed out about this. I mean, everything else I like. I really think this is a pretty lip color shade. Now, I have never tried this before in a, lipstick, so that's exciting. This Tarte, I'm not too keen about the brand, but, this is okay. It's a little too dark for me, but, I can mix it in with foundation or do something. I can make it work. I mean, that's okay. This, I have very dark, naturally dark eyebrows. So this is in the shade 2, and I don't know what they go up to. Let's see if it says. So it's probably going to be too light. It doesn't say. So I'm kind of disappointed about this box. I was so excited about this box. I really do like this. I really do. And this. That's about it. And usually Boxycharm, I like everything. When people are disappointed in their boxes, I love it. So I'm just a little disappointed in my box this month. So anyway, guys, let me know but let me just say this, if I didn't say, Boxycharm is a $21 a month subscription. I will leave it down below if you want to check it out. It is an open wait list, which is good because it's been closed for I don't know how long. So if you do want to get this box, I would suggest to go ahead and get it just before they have a wait list again. They close it. So usually I love the boxes. So, let me know what you guys think. What did you guys get in your Boxycharm? Did you get your boxes yet? And until my next video, bye.